Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, more commonly known as Akbar the Great, was the third Mughal emperor who ruled from 1556 to 1605, and is often considered one of the most influential monarchs in Indian history. Akbar was born on October 15, 1542, in the fortress of Umarkot, Sindh, present-day Pakistan, during the period of exile of his father, Humayun. Akbar's rise to power began at the tender age of 13 when he ascended the Mughal throne following the sudden death of his father in 1556. Despite his youth and the tumultuous circumstances of his early reign, including several military threats, Akbar proved to be a remarkable ruler. He extended his empire to include nearly all of the Indian subcontinent north of the Godavari River, making him one of the wealthiest and most powerful monarchs of his time. One of Akbar's most notable attributes was his policy of religious tolerance and his interest in promoting a syncretic culture that fused Islamic, Hindu, and other traditions, an effort that resulted in the creation of the Din-i-Ilahi, or Religion of God, a monotheistic religion intended to merge the best elements of the religions of his empire. Akbar's reign also saw advancements in culture, the arts, and architecture, including the construction of the magnificent city of Fatehpur Sikri, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The famous Akbar's court housed the Navaratnas, or the Nine Jewels, a group of scholars, artists, and advisors known for their exceptional talents. In administrative matters, Akbar showed remarkable skill. He introduced a policy called Sulh-e-Kul, universal peace, which aimed for religious harmony. His administrative system, particularly his reforms in tax policies, set the groundwork for effective governance in India. Despite his lack of formal education, Akbar had a great thirst for knowledge, and his court was a center of culture, learning, and artistic patronage. He commissioned the translation of various Sanskrit works into Persian and promoted the development of literature. Akbar's reign ended with his death in 1605. But his legacy as a tolerant, innovative, and effective ruler remains. His policies and reforms left a lasting impact on the Indian subcontinent, and he continues to be remembered as Akbar the Great, one of the most admired figures in Indian history.